Hello everyone. Question is an SAP solution architect is designing an SAP HANA scale-out architecture for SAP Business Warehouse SAP BW on SAP HANA on AWS. The SAP solution architect identifies the design as a three-node scale-out deployment of X1E 32X large Amazon EC2 instances. The SAP Solutions Architect must ensure that the SAP HANA scale-out nodes can achieve the low latency and high throughput network performance that are necessary for node-to-node communication. Which combination of steps should the SAP Solutions Architect take to meet these requirements? Select two options. Option A, create a cluster placement group. Launch the instances into the cluster placement group. Option B, create a spread placement group. Launch the instances into the spread placement group. Option C, create a partition placement group. Launch the instances into the partition placement group. Option D, based on the operating system version, verify that enhanced networking is enabled on all the nodes. Option E, switch to a different instance family that provides network throughput that is greater than 25 Gbps. Correct answer is option C and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company needs to migrate its critical SAP workloads from an on-premises data center to AWS. The company has a few source production databases that are 10 TB or more in size. The company wants to minimize the downtime for this migration. As part of the proof of concept, the company used a low speed, high latency connection between its data center and AWS. During the actual migration, the company wants to maintain a consistent connection that delivers high bandwidth and low latency. The company also wants to add a layer of connectivity resiliency. The backup connectivity does not need to be as fast as the primary connectivity. An SAP solution architect needs to determine the optimal network configuration for data transfer. The solution must transfer the data with minimum latency. Which configuration will meet these requirements? Option A, set up one AWS Direct Connect connection for connectivity between the on-premises data center and AWS. Add an AWS site-to-site VPN connection as a backup to the Direct Connect connection. Option B, set up an AWS Direct Connect gateway with multiple Direct Connect connections that use a link aggregation group LAG between the on-premises data center and AWS. Option C, set up Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EPS file system storage between the on-premises data center and AWS. Configure a cron job to copy the data into this EFS mount. Access the data in the EFS file system from the target environment. Option D, set up two redundant AWS site-to-site VPN connections for connectivity between the on-premises data center and AWS. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.